Have you ever wondered how life can exist in extreme conditions? What if I told you that there's a mountain where you can find a lake with a pH level similar to battery acid? Yes, you heard it right. Nestled amidst the craggy peaks, there lies a mysterious lake. This isn't your typical mountain lake though. It's a body of water so acidic it mirrors the corrosiveness of battery acid. The discovery of this unusual lake left scientists baffled. Its extraordinary acidity levels, comparable to substances we'd usually steer clear of, sparked an array of questions. How did this lake come to be so acidic? More importantly, how could life possibly exist in such an extreme environment? Can organisms truly thrive amidst such harsh conditions? These questions might seem daunting, and indeed they are, but they also represent the intriguing complexity of life and nature. Intrigued? Let's dive in to unravel the mystery of life in this harsh environment. The story of the discovery of this lake is as fascinating as its existence. The tale begins with a group of intrepid explorers whose curiosity was piqued by the unusual tales of a mountain harboring an acidic lake. As they embarked on their quest, little did they know they were about to uncover a marvel of nature that would baffle scientists for years to come. Upon reaching the summit, they were greeted by the sight of a lake shimmering under the sun, its beauty belying its acidic nature. Initial reactions of awe swiftly gave way to intrigue as the explorers realized the significance of their discovery. The scientific community was abuzz with excitement. How could a lake with a pH level akin to battery acid exist in such a serene setting? The lake was a conundrum, a paradox of nature that challenged our understanding of life and its resilience. The discovery of this lake led to a plethora of questions, the foremost being about the possibility of life in such extreme conditions. Life, as we know it, prefers a neutral pH, but in this lake, life thrives in acid. A bizarre statement, isn't it? Yet it's true. This lake, with its pH level comparable to that of battery acid, is teeming with life. These organisms, or extremophiles as they are known, have evolved unique adaptations that allow them to not only survive, but thrive in this highly acidic environment. Now you may be wondering, what sort of organisms could possibly live in such extreme conditions? Well, the answer is quite fascinating. This lake is home to certain types of bacteria and algae that have developed a remarkable ability to withstand the corrosive effects of the acid. These microorganisms have a unique cell structure, which includes a protective outer layer that shields them from the acid. In a sense, they wear their own little suits of armor, but that's not all. These organisms are also capable of converting the toxic substances found in the acid into energy, a process known as chemosynthesis. Just as plants use photosynthesis to turn sunlight into energy, these extremophiles use the harsh chemicals in their environment to fuel their survival. It's a testament to the incredible adaptability of life. These acid-loving organisms aren't the only examples of extremophiles. All around the world, in the most inhospitable places, life finds a way. From the boiling hot springs of Yellowstone to the icy depths of Antarctica, from the dark, crushing depths of the oceans to the thin, oxygen-starved heights of the Himalayas, life has found a way to adapt and thrive. So what can we learn from these extremophiles? They show us that life isn't as fragile as we might think. They challenge our preconceived notions about what it means to survive and thrive. They remind us that life is incredibly resilient and adaptable, capable of overcoming even the most extreme conditions. These organisms challenge our understanding of life and its limits. As we continue to explore the farthest reaches of our planet and beyond, who knows what other remarkable forms of life we might discover. After all, life, it seems, is full of surprises. So, what does this tell us about life on Earth and potentially elsewhere? Well, our journey to this mysterious mountain lake has shown us that life is far more resilient and adaptable than we ever imagined. Organisms, against all odds, have found a way to thrive in an environment with a pH level similar to battery acid. This discovery challenges our previous understanding of the limits of life, proving that it can exist in conditions far more extreme than once thought. It expands our definition of habitable environments and opens up a new realm of possibilities in the search for life on other planets. If life can flourish in such harsh conditions on Earth, who's to say it can't do the same in the seemingly inhospitable landscapes of Mars or Europa? In the grand tapestry of life, even the most extreme environments serve as a canvas for nature's creativity. Stay curious and keep exploring.